Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new data from Webflow to Google Sheets. This is necessary to automatically transfer new data from Webflow to other systems. For example, in Google Sheets you can add new rows and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Webflow. Now, select the action, Get Form Data, New. At this stage you need to connect your Webflow account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Webflow personal account. At this stage we provide access to your workspace. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, we select the website on which we will receive new data. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point, you will see test data for one of your Webflow leads. If there is no data at this stage, you need to fill out a form on the website. To do this, go to your Webflow personal account. Open your form for which you want to receive new leads, fill it out and send. After successfully submitting the form, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue configuration. When the test data appears at this stage, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Webflow data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Choose the system, Google Sheets. Next you need to select an action, Add Row. At this stage you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Google account. Be sure to check all the boxes. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you need to select the file and sheet to which new rows will be added with each new lead from Webflow. Now, you see Google Sheets columns to which you can assign variables from Webflow. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Google Sheets as new rows for each new lead from Webflow. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. After successful submission, go to Google Sheets and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Google Sheets as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.